Dear friends, purpose of this GOSVAL channel is to bring awareness about Ayurveda and its help to mankind. For betterment of the health and healthy living, this science is thousands of years old, amazing, without any side effects, uplift the disease from the root. The series of Ayurveda's medicinal plant research is an effort to explore magical herbs mentioned in Ayurveda books with medicinal values and updated with current researches happening in present time in field of health sciences. So I request you all to subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and to those who really love and need this knowledge. Thank you. Hello my dear friends, welcome to you all in series of Ayurveda medicinal plant research. We are taking one interesting herbs of Ayurveda and discussing its scientific analysis as well as what in ancient time told by Ayurveda books since thousands of years. It has been an established fact that 25% of the prescribed in conventional system of medicine are allied or inspired by plant origin, directly or indirectly. And WHO also have found that 80% of the world population is actually taking a help of traditional system of medicine, where plant medicine, where the medicine value to heal through plant is one of the most important part. Food also has a very important part from plant origin. Imagine if food is made in the form of tablets and capsules and tubes, and it may have a lot of energy, but it won't have taste. Similarly, when it comes to Ayurveda, they have given a lot of importance to the taste, because when you feel that medicine, it's not only your body, but also your mind and soul also get connected to it. Today I am coming to you with a very special herb of Ayurveda which is in my hand. Surprisingly, all herbs look same for a person who does not have a depth about it, but they all are different and have a very high values. They don't speak like us, but they are silent power. If you know, they can really help you a lot. This herb is a Vasaka. In Latin we call as a JUSTICIA ADHATOda. This is an amazing herb. This has helped mankind from thousands and thousands of years to save from lungs problems, from tuberculosis. It has helped mankind from thousands of years to cure respiratory tract disorders and even to correct bleeding disorders. William Dymock in 1893 in his book Pharmacopoeia India, a herbal research at the time of British India, he says, he quotes for this herb, "No man suffering from phthisis," means it's a pulmonary tuberculosis, "should be despair as long as Vasaka plant exists." You're surprised to know that William Dymock came from Britain as a British Indian services, and they did a lot of research work on Indian plants, but all kept under cover, never been spoken about. Just like plant is silent, their work is also silent. In Ayurveda, this is one of the best choice for kapha problems, because we have divided our medicinal plants in category of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So kapha is usually related to lungs problems and the problems with mucus. And this is something which is amazing. They have mentioned it very clearly that kapha pitta jvara haraha. This is a herb which contains vasicin active compound, which is the reason for synthesis of bromohexane HCl, which is used as one of the most commonly used antitussive in conventional pharmaceuticals. This is having a active compounds which has a property of antitussive, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. But only one thing which has to be very careful about is this, that it's having its vasicin active compound has a property exactly like oxytocin. So it also, when it is taken by ladies, as we know that oxytocin does a uterine contraction, so it's not very advisable if lady is pregnant, because during pregnancy, because of this herb, when uterine contraction can happen and that can induce labor. This herb is nowadays got a great, I have so much I brought. This herb has got a great attention by the scientists of nanotechnology. The reason is this, that it gives a very good quality, safe silver nanoparticle. And silver nanoparticle is used for industries, for many things, but also for health. It's very good for anti-aging. So you can put this in your garden and take few leaves. Just you can take like one leaf. Even yogis, they just take the leaf and they just chew it. I'm chewing in front of you. In beginning it is normal leaf taste, but later, it's bitter. It's a special bitter, but not harmful bitter. Because when you have to do a good breathing exercise, this herb is a magic for yogis, because it increases your lungs capacity. It is having a mucolytic action. It makes mucus or sputum to get thin so that it can explore out. My dear friends, actually this is a 1 meter to 2.5 meter high shrub. Whole year, it's a perennial shrub found. This is not the time for its flower, it will happen in February. In this time of industrialization, we made success and modernized living being out of nature. But we should make our life more modern with nature. So we have put this plant everywhere in our property. In all the boundary walls, we have put this plant and use it, fresh leaves, its juices for many of the lungs problems, and even the paste of this, if applied on skin, it gives a great luster. So, if not today, for some people, those who are living in apartment-like life, if possible in your life, try to connect with nature and grow some of these medicinal plants, or connect with the people, those who are growing, and make your life better. Thank you.